Welcome to our channel, everyone. We are Brent and Kelly, and we're into year 4 of traveling full-time. We're glad you're joining us on this crazy journey and hope you get inspired to make travel plans yourself. Life is too short not to see this incredible world. In our last video, I'll link that in the corner, we picked a camper van up from Indie Campers in Paris and traveled to Normandy with our first stop at Mont St Michel, the famous abbey sitting off the coast and listed on the UNESCO World Heritage List. We left you at our campsite for the night in Saint-Germain, one of the most beautiful night's rest we've ever had, and today we make our way north to explore a few WWII sites. We hope you enjoy this part of our journey through Normandy, France, and if you're new, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell to get notified when we upload a video. We do that every Sunday. Thanks everyone, and enjoy the video.
Welcome to my crib. That's where that's where the gas goes. I didn't show this last time. I got in trouble. That's the front door. There's the back porch.
Exactly.
A bike rack we'll never use and have no idea how it works. That's okay. There's all our luggage.
You
Am I
suck at
supposed to be
this.
showing like the gas and all that? I don't know.
Obviously, dude can't make a video on his own.
When did I ever say that I could?
Okay, so for those of you who know, we have been traveling in our own trailer. I will link a few playlists or pictures of it somewhere. I don't really know, but you can look. And then when we've been in France, oh, and then we also rented another trailer, a van in Ireland. Again, I will link that card up top probably, so you can go and look at our Ireland journey. By the way, that was a cargo van. Wasn't a van like this. Anyway, so we're gonna show you the rest of the van, and Brent's gonna be the actor that he is.
Yeah.
Okay, my loves. Okay, so what's this part?
This is the shower, which I don't think we'll ever use. It connects in here.
Yeah, so it's super cool that this van actually has a shower.
Under there is the gas to turn on and off. We're not allowed to drive with it on.
No. And also, oh, you know what too we forgot? So just like in a regular van too, you have your fresh water. There's no black water tank in here because there's no toilet.
No.
And the electrical? You just plug in the electrical. We're trying to do as much wild camping as we can, so we're not really using any of that. But if you went to a campground,
That
you would.
door goes right into our kitchen.
Yeah, look at.
Yeah.
We're gonna show that. Yeah, show them this part now, and then
Okay.
we'll show the sleeping quarters later.
So-
This is super cool.
In there, we're going to do real quick, fridge, because we don't want it to get warm
Yeah.
because the gas is now off.
Oh, right. 2-burner
There's-
stove.
2-burner stove.
Yeah, I haven't been cooking meals, but we've had eggs and coffee and cereal, and it's awesome.
And this is the sink.
It's so
there's a-
cute.
Yeah.
Show them how it works, the little water and everything.
So this is, you put the water in here if you want to wash anything. There's no plug, you have to use that, and then it drains into there. There is a
Turn
gray...
the water on, babe. That's what I meant. No one needs to know how to wash dishes. Yay! It's awesome.
You need to know that though.
Yes, exactly. Exactly. Okay, and then basically also to eat dinner or anything, play cards, whatever. It's so cute. So then they have a little table set up too, which comes all the way down. Sweet. And then these chairs, look at this.
Yeah.
Well, that
Kelly
actually,
does this.
yeah, the piece
there it
goes
is.
down, sweetie. Nice. Awesome. And then these chairs will swivel around.
We'll show them when we do the inside.
Yeah, we'll do the inside later. Okay, so for now, we are actually going to get a croissant and a coffee, and then take the rest of the afternoon and head to Juno Beach because it's supposed to be beautiful for the rest of the day. So can't wait to actually go see that. Okay, so before Juno Beach, we're gonna stop and get a croissant and a coffee. And where are we, baby?
Bayou.
Bayeu. EUX. And seriously, It's such a sweet village. All of the little villages on our drive in Normandy have been so sweet, but this one's a little more populated, open, and it's so quintessential French, which is a good thing. How is it? Fantastic. Okay, give me my almond one.
Second, free.
But I want, as we doesn't have a lot of things, I want that each tools or anything we got needs to be beautiful for us.
Oh, absolute look
So I create.
Okay, so we just met these lovely people carrying this very, very big camera. And then I knew they had a YouTube channel. Okay, so introduce yourselves.
It's Sam and I'm Elma.
Love it.
And we came from Paris and artistic theater works. And since more than 2 years, we create our own project with our own creation, and we are living on a camper van and traveling.
I love it.
You would
And
say,
sharing this.
and we'll link their channel.
That's it. That's it. You got it.
it.
And of course, we're going to link everything below in the description box.
From the lovely town of Bayeux, we traveled to Juno Beach to explore the area. Juno Beach is a very important area in Canadian military history as it was part of the Allied strategy to liberate Western Europe from Nazi occupation. On the morning of June 6, 1944, otherwise known as D-Day, the Canadian forces landed on Juno Beach, supported by both naval and air bombardments. Despite huge losses, they managed to push inland and establish a foothold in France. We had the honor of exploring the Juno Beach Center, a memorial honoring the Canadian soldiers who fought and died during D-Day. It truly was one of the best museums we've explored. So this is where we're going to sleep for the night. And this is Juno Beach. Juno Beach.
Good morning, everybody, and our future selves. Woke up today in Juneau, piss poor raining, thunderstorms, lightning. Very interesting, but it was still, I was a little nervous up top, and it started to rain a little bit inside in this camper van.
She was blowing a gale, as they say in Newfoundland. We have vents in the top, and it wasn't pouring rain, but they were leaking a little.
A little bit, yeah. Okay, so babe, where are we going right now? Oh my God, watch the ambulance.
We're going to the hospital.
Yeah.
We're going to, I'm going to pronounce it Caen. C-A-E-N. There's a museum there, but more importantly, there's a gym with a shower, which she desperately needs.
Thanks, babe.
Yeah.
Yeah, because we haven't showered since Sunday, I think, and it's Wednesday.
We're getting ripe.
Exactly. Okay, so we'll pick you up in the next town. Okay. So we went to the gym, had a great workout, and we just finished a little bit of lunch in our van. And I am extremely sore and really super tired. I didn't get a lot of sleep last night. So tell everybody where we are. They can kind of see it in the corner. Over your shoulder.
I'm going to pronounce it Caen. Caen? I don't know. C-A-E-N War Museum, which is half an hour from Juno Beach.
And what do we know about this one?
This town was reduced to rubble. It took them a month to get here after they landed on D-Day, and they reduced it to rubble before they got here. So I guess everything you see is less than 100 years old. That's less than 80 years old.
It's crazy to think that. It's just driving through even. Anyway, I'll try to get a little footage, but my phone is about to die. So we'll see. Union flag, I think. Okay, babe, what'd you think of the museum?
It was good. I like how they went through kind of right from World War I. and kind of explained why everything happened.
Yeah.
I thought that part was really good. It was busy.
Super busy.
So that was a downfall. But what do you expect? It's August.
I know, it's so cute.
Yeah.
I know it's so cute because I'm looking literally at a kitty cat right now.
Huh.
The War Museum wasn't cute, but the kitty cat is cute. Okay, I didn't actually really tape anything today because I was not feeling well. But we made it to a little, oh, hello. We made it to a little campsite, and I'm just cooking some dinner, but I'll just show you around so you can see the types of places that we land upon every night. Pretty cool. Hello. Okay, I think the sun is in the way, but we are staying on a working farm tonight. And these are our neighbors. You guys have to be quiet in the morning and let me sleep. Thank you very much. Hello. And then this is our little setup. And then we have 3 other neighbors tonight. Okay, look across the street. Well, hello. And if you can see way back there, there's a third. You guys are beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna go have my dinner.
So I got 3 hours.
For parking?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Like the longer you are, it doubles. So we'll go back after 3 hours if we want.
That's crazy.
Yeah. Sorry.
So good morning, everyone. Is it locked?
Yeah.
Okay, so we got up super early from the farm. It was probably the quietest night that we've had. And we have now returned to the little village that we are planning on visiting for a few hours, which is called?
Étretat, if I had to guess.
Do you remember how to spell it?
Etretat.
And it's definitely a destination point for everybody, but we'll talk about that later.
Well, sure, yeah.
Because right now we just have to go to the washroom, and we decided to come in and get a croissant and a coffee and treat ourselves today. But first things first,
Yeah.
peeing.
Yeah.
A nice spot for a croissant.
Wow. Honey, I think Monet should have included you in his painting.
After exploring the town of Étretat and climbing the cliffs made famous by Monet, we continued our drive to Dieppe, which we will explore in the next video. Hope you enjoyed this part of the journey, everyone, and thanks for watching. Cheers!